These simple additions can help you harness moringa's metabolic benefits effectively. Rich source of nutrients. Moringa is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients support immune function, promote healthy skin, and maintain strong bones. With its impressive nutritional profile, moringa is often considered a superfood that can enhance overall health and well-being. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can easily boost your nutrient intake and support a healthier lifestyle. Antioxidant properties. Moringa is rich in antioxidants, which are crucial in combating oxidative stress and protecting the body from cellular damage. Key antioxidants found in moringa include quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These potent compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Incorporating moringa into your diet can enhance your antioxidant intake, support longevity, and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa has shown promising effects on blood sugar levels, with studies indicating its potential to lower glucose levels in the body. This makes it a beneficial addition for those managing diabetes. The compounds in moringa, such as isothiocyanates, may help improve insulin sensitivity. To incorporate moringa for blood sugar management, consider adding moringa powder to smoothies, salads, or soups, or enjoy it as a tea to support stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Heart health. Moringa is a valuable ally for cardiovascular health, known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart function. Its rich antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress, promoting better circulation. To support heart health with moringa, consider incorporating moringa powder into your daily smoothies or salads. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and managing stress can enhance the benefits of moringa, contributing to a healthier heart and overall well-being. Digestive health. Moringa offers significant benefits for the digestive system, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. Its high fiber content helps improve bowel regularity, prevent constipation, and support a healthy digestive tract. To incorporate moringa for digestive support, try adding moringa powder to smoothies, soups, or salads. Additionally, drinking moringa tea can soothe the digestive system and enhance nutrient absorption, making it an excellent choice for maintaining overall digestive wellness. Skin health. Moringa is a fantastic skincare ingredient for improving skin hydration and elasticity. Packed with vitamins A and C, it helps nourish the skin and can aid in treating conditions like acne and eczema. For a simple DIY skincare recipe, mix moringa powder with honey to create a hydrating face mask, or combine it with coconut oil for a moisturizing body scrub. These natural remedies can enhance your skin's health and radiance.